Okay, we're back on Thursday morning. I have my students here. We are looking at the egg experiment. Just so you know, last night I did a time-lapse video of the egg. It will be posted on Haiku Learning, okay? If we take a look at the egg today, does it look different?
Yes.
Yes. How is it different?
The water molecules came out of the egg.
Okay.
And it got smaller.
Okay, so it got smaller.
And it's like, and then like yolk is so weird. It feels so weird.
Well, we're all going to touch it in a moment, okay? But first, I want you to compare what this solution is compared to the original corn syrup. So if somebody could open up the corn syrup, pour it into the glass. I think, Hannah, are you going to do that? And pour it.
In this new.
Yes, and you could,
But only a little bit.
yeah, just a bit.
Not all the way to the top, like this one.
Oh, you could do a little bit more. Okay. Now, I would like you, Hannah, I would like you to,
She gets to do everything.
okay, we're sharing responsibilities here.
She isn't.
Okay. So take the spoon, Sylvia, give her the spoon from the last night to this, yep, okay. So now feel how the corn syrup in this glass
It's different than this.
is different from this glass. Do you feel a little difference? Go ahead, feel it from this glass to this glass. Go ahead, switch it over. Oh, you want to just feel it with your fingers? That's fine. You guys want to feel it with your fingers? Feel the difference.
It's like, what are you doing? It's like,
That's okay.
It's like, this one's like rougher and this one's like smoother because this is new and this is old.
Okay. This is definitely new corn. Did you feel it? Why don't you guys feel it?
The egg?
No, not the egg. Feel the solution. This is the corn syrup.
I feel that.
This is the corn syrup.
Was sticky.
Okay, did you feel it?
And this one is
Why don't you feel it? Here.
is
You
a lot
want-
more sticky.
This one's a lot more sticky. This one's a little more sticky.
Yeah, it's like so. It's like stickiness. It's like water. That one. And also because more molecules came out of the egg inside the corn syrup, and that's why it makes it water come in, and now there's a lot of water molecules instead of a little bit of. And guys, I'm just gonna
Okay.
wash my hands.
Oh, okay. So which one is more sticky? Did we make a conclusion? Which one?
This one, I think
The
the
n-
new one is more sticky because there's no egg in it because when we put the egg in the corn syrup, there was water, but now the water all came out, so that's why it's less sticky. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so this one, the original corn syrup, the one that we just made, is very sticky. This one is not as sticky. What do you want to say?
Hannah was trying to say, I'm just going to say what Hannah was trying to say. So that the water in the thing is not sticky. And this one is, so when the water comes out of it, it's not going to be sticky anymore. And it has less sugar.
It has less, the sugar doesn't change.
Yeah, but the water changes.
The amounts of water changes. Okay.
The water came out into the glass.
Okay, so let's take a look at the video and just to remind you, oops, what the video says. Does anybody remember the name of this process?
Yes. Changing.
What?
Egg changing.
I know, that's the name of the experiment. The excellent experiment. Does anybody know the name of
Salad experiment.
egg salad, right? He says it like that too.
This is like called, when the egg has no shell, it's called like a naked egg.
Yup.
Yeah.
Does anybody know the process?
There's his body.
The process of the water? Does anybody know what the process of the water movement is? What's the process named?
It's like, it's called chain, tiny molecules.
The tiny molecules are moving. Which tiny molecules are moving?
The water.
The water. Okay,
Not the Electra one, not the sugar one, and not the protein.
yeah. How come the sugar, the protein, and the electrolytes don't move?
Because they're like too big. Fit in.
They're too big to fit. So the only thing that's moving is the smallest, which is the water.
And the
That-
water can squeeze out, but the big ones, they can't.
Okay.
Because they're these
And that process
these
is,
ones are probably the big ones.
yep, and can they move in, those big ones?
No,
Can they?
because they're all stuck together.
They're too big.
And they can't fit in.
Okay.
These are the water molecules. These are the big ones. And they're too big because these ones are tinier and smaller so that they could just fit in.
Yep.
But these ones are all stuck together and they huge a big ball.
I'll give you-
and they can't fit in
The
to
The process is called,
osmosis.
try to say it again, sound it out.
Osmosis.
Osmosis, exactly.
Osmosis.
All right, that's the process. Even grandma knew it. Okay, here we
I
go.
didn't want to say it.
Ready?
Just say, I know it, that's
Okay, here we go. Ready? We're gonna listen to what happened last night.
Are water molecules. When we place our swollen egg into the corn syrup, the opposite effect happens. The water travels through the membrane and into the corn syrup. This movement of water occurs because there is an imbalance in molecules. The corn
So there's an imbalance in molecules, which means
And
there.
that all the water is going out to the sugar.
Okay, so watch. I'm gonna show you what an imbalance means.
And
There's.
that's
I'm
what
gonna.
makes the egg smaller.
Okay, I'm gonna show you, so you're gonna listen. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3 molecules on the outside. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the inside of the egg.
that's 4.
So that's
1,
not
2, 3,
balanced.
4.
That's not balanced. Okay, that one just moved over. That's not balanced. A balanced would be 4 on the outside, 4 on the inside. Right now,
Balance
there's
would be
3.
7 on the outside, 7 on the inside.
Okay, so watch what happens. This is what happens last night.
syrup has very few water molecules, but lots of sugar molecules. The egg has lots of water molecules and only a few sugars, proteins, and electrolytes. All the molecules want to be in equal proportions on either side of the membrane. But remember,
This is 7
only
of 4.
water is capable of moving through the membrane. So instead, the water moves from where there's a low amount of other molecules to where there's lots. This means that the water leaves the egg and goes into the syrup. As the water molecules leave our egg, it shrivels and shrinks. When we
Okay, so it shrivels and shrinks. So that's what happened to it. So we're gonna very carefully, we're going to remove the egg over the sink. Who would like to do this? And pour it. Okay. Pour it. Okay. Yep, it's a little bit sticky. Did you grab it? Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Like a jellyfish.
Does anybody else want to feel it?
You mean?
You want to feel it? Be very careful when you're moving it around. Careful, careful. Yeah. Oh my goodness. William, can you describe what it feels like?
It feels like a jellyfish.
It feels like a jellyfish. What do you think?
Oh, guys.
What else? What else does it feel like?
Look at my hands.
It's dry?
And you can see the egg.
Oh, you could see the yolk. That's right. That's pretty neat.
Oh,
Sticky hands. Okay.
Go this.
Okay. Are we ready for the next part of the experiment?
Yeah.
So Mrs. Bond did not have a food dye, so I just used some sprinkles and added it to the bowl to color the water. Okay, so you can just use what you have in your house. Okay. No, we're not going to do that. Okay. We're going to do what we did from the original. So we're going to clean out the corn syrup. Okay. Okay. And now you're going to carefully put the egg. I'm going to pour this in here. What color do you think the egg is going to wind up?
I think it's gonna wind up
Like a pink.
This purple
purplish pink. Be careful, do not slowly. Yep, okay, good. Slowly put it in there. And now tonight we'll do another time-lapse video to see what happens.
And you guys better be watching.
All right.
Make